What's up everybody? Welcome back to the T3 Performance YouTube channel. We're here at Rival Customs today. Our car is all done getting PPF and we got a couple little extra things got done. Come check it out. What's up, man?
What's up?
This thing looks sweet.
Yep.
What all did we get done?
So we covered the whole body in Xpel Stealth paint protection.
Okay.
We did Xpel XR Plus on the windows, 35%.
Cool.
And then we did marker delete and taillight tint.
Cool. Cool. I think we ended up paint protecting this guy. Same satin finish as the rest of the paint protection. Looks super cool. This is actually the cruise control sensor, so it like adjusts the speed depending on what the vehicle is in front of you. We also paint protected these headlights. These headlights have super soft plastic, and the pitting from the roads as well. After a while it gets cloudy, your lighting is super terrible, and it's really hard to get out. You can wet sand it and polish it, but putting paint protection on it right away makes it look perfect for years to come. The benefits of paint protection on a vehicle like this, it can take a way bigger beating and have way more of a chance to withstand rock chips. And this film will actually self-heal with scratches, even just from washing, it scratching from rocks or debris on the road with hot temperatures. So even the heat from the engine can activate the self-healing. Smoking hot summer day, or even just pouring hot water over it will cause all the scratches to heal, and it will basically look amazing forever. If you ever get tired of it, or if there's ever a blemish in the actual paint protection, you can peel it all off and redo it and it'll look brand new. Volkswagen put the amber markers on the outside instead of inside the headlight like the Mark 7s, and to take away that harsh amber, we covered it in just vinyl, so it gets super close to the satin finish and it looks real sharp. We did mirror caps, same satin finish. Did this little strip, which is I think glass or plastic. I think it might actually be glass, same as the sunroof. And we did the sunroof as well. The whole top looks super sleek. Of course, got our little emblem, little T3 sticker right there. Justin has a super light smoke for the taillights. Doesn't even look like it's there, but just takes away a tiny little bit of the candy apple color. Same thing on these reflectors. These are regulated, reflect light. Somebody else has their headlights on, so it looks like another set of lights. Tint looks super awesome, nice and light, not too dark. Takes away the fishbowl, cuts out a ton of heat, which is super important for us in the Okanagan to deal with the hot temperatures. Otherwise, this thing looks slick. Super happy with it. Love that new car smell. Anyways, guys, if you guys are ever in the Kelowna or Okanagan area and need paint protection, tint, or any vinyl wrapping done, make sure to check out Rival Customs. Great guy, does great work with great prices. Right now we're headed back to the shop to check out all the guys' reaction to see the paint protection of the vehicle and how it's changed the look so much. Come check out the new ride.
It's here?
It's here.
Oh shit. That looks killer. I can't believe that's all paint protection. That's unreal. You did the roof too?
Yeah, sunroof.
Wow.
It looks weird from inside, but
That's crazy.
yeah. And the door handles.
Door handles. Smoke taillights?
Yeah.
Wow.
I like that. That looks
Ooh.
wicked.
That's pretty.
Those taillights look so good.
Just enough.
Yeah,
Just
a
subtle
little
enough.
bit.
Oh yeah, and these deleted too. That looks good.
Yeah. The parking sensors, they come matte now.
What?
Instead of gloss, and then you're stuck with super glossy and when you go matte.
That's convenient.
Yep. I don't know what to do with other colors. If you have a blue car, if they still come matte, but
Is this just vinyl?
just vinyl.
Like, it matches really well.
Same with the front markers. Same thing. It looks crazy in natural light versus the artificial light. And check out the sunroof. Did the same, but from the inside out. Maybe it doesn't
Can't
show
really
as
tell.
much.
Is it? Oh, it totally is satiny.
Yeah. I guess it was more of a drastic,
Like when you have light.
when there was
up
like a
top.
spotlight on it.
Oh yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Dang.
Touch it. Oh. We have pooped on already?
Classic.
Not acceptable.
Oh, and he did this.
Yep. Yep. He didn't have the template for the fog lights yet. So once that is available,
Okay.
we'll do all those separate.
And headlights.
Headlights are done. I think he free-handed those.
Jeez.
Can't
I don't understand how he does the cuts and everything so well.
practice.
Yeah. That looks unreal.
Yep. First mod we're gonna do on this car, gonna be under the hood. Volkswagen decided to not give us a hood strut. You gotta use a hood prop. So we're gonna fix that. They still put the bottom anchor of the hood strut in here. So if you just bought a Mark 8 and you're wondering why that's there, I don't really know why that's there because there's no hood strut. But it makes it super easy to add a hood strut, and you can buy the Hood Strut Kit at t3-shop.ca. So what you want to do is peel back the insulation right here a little bit, and that's where the top anchor for your hood strut goes. So we got a little kit here, and you gotta put the one anchor on. And this might be a little fun to do because there's not a ton of room back there. But this guy goes here, the little nut goes on from the back side, and then our hood strut should be able to just go right on, and that'll fix this issue. That like that. Tuck this guy back up. Now that that guy's in there, we're gonna grab our strut. And these guys just kind of snap right on real nice. A little bit of a height difference, obviously. Take that out. Snap on in there real nice. This guy just does a little fancy dance. Gets out of the way. And grommet can probably stay in there. Yeah, it's gonna stay in there. Now that that's all wrapped up, we're gonna bring the car in and do our next mods, but you're gonna have to wait until the next video to see what they are. Thanks a whole lot for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.